Hi guys, welcome to Lexington Consulting YouTube channel. Today we're discussing multi-factor authentication in Azure. As everybody knows, MFA is one of the most important security features that you can enable in Active Directory in your personal security. Just having that second layer of authentication. So let's go right into it. So I'm logged into my Azure account, which is just a training account. Obviously, because this is dealing with MFA, you obviously want to go to Azure Active Directory, where if you have a couple users created, mine only has 2. And so we're going to enable Azure MFA on Alice Wonderland. Very creative name. So we're going to enable MFA on her account. So the way you go about it, obviously, you get into Active Directory, click on the user, go into authentication methods. Here, the authentication method, you want to add how you want to authenticate other than through password. So you can choose a method, phone number, email, and so on and so forth. So obviously for me, I chose email. That's the authentication Alice is using. Our email address is alice@lexingtonconsulting.com. It's just a fake email. And if you've already set up this before and you want them to re-register the MFA, you can click here, require register. You can revoke the MFA sessions that are already in play. And then once you've done that, you can get back here to your users and select Alice and then do a per user MFA. And this allows you to set the MFA on a per user basis. So you click on that, so the screen would open up and it would show all the accounts available and their MFA status. So like my primary account doesn't have MFA enabled. So if Alice was not enabled, you would come here, check the box next to her name, and then you would, either enable. Yes, I'm checking disable, but obviously I'll change that because the whole purpose of this video is to enable it. So enable, click enable multi-factor authentication, close, and then should be set now. So pulling up another window for me to log into Azure. So go to portal.azure.com. And I have Alice's account there already, email address and username already typed in, typing in the password now. 57. So password. I said I don't want to save that. More information is required. That's what's expected. And then I just click on next. And then here it would prompt me because I'm setting this up for the first time. Obviously, how do I want to do it? Authentication by phone. Yes, you want to authenticate by phone. And put in the phone number there and click next. This is a fake number, so obviously this text message is not going to come through. So I hit cancel there. But in a nutshell, you kind of get an idea of how to set up MFA. So thanks for joining and watching this video.